Here's how to get a 90-day tourist visa to Thailand from Vientiane, Laos. 1. Prepare your documents. Before you go to Vientiane, make sure you have all required documents. Fly from Don Mueang or Suvarnabhumi to Wat Thai International Airport. Airlines: AirAsia, Thai Smile, Lao Airlines. Duration: approximately 1 hour. Ideal if time is limited. Option 2. Train plus bus. Take a night train from Bangkok to Nong Khai. Cross the Thai Lo Friendship Bridge via local bus. Get your arrival stamp with 90-day stay. Get a Lao visa on arrival. Carry USD and Thai baht. Lo Kip is also useful for local travel. Check for Lao visa on arrival eligibility. Thai embassy holidays in Laos may not match Thai ones. Check the embassy website calendar. Make photocopies of everything, just in case. Continue to Vientiane city center. Option 3. Direct bus. Good luck and have a great trip. Buses from Mo Chit Bus Terminal to Vientiane. Basic documents: valid passport, letter of employment from your Thai employer, WP3 or teacher's licensed approval letter, company documents, including company registration, shareholder list, etc. Visa application form and passport-sized photos. 2. Get from Bangkok to Vientiane. You have 3 main travel options. Option 1. Fly. 3. Stay in Vientiane. Visa processing takes 2 working days, so plan at least 2 nights. Day 1. Submit documents. Day 2. Wait. Day 3. Collect visa. Recommended hotels near the Thai Embassy: S Park Design Hotel, Lao, Poet Hotel, Vientiane Garden Hotel, or budget guest houses in central Vientiane. 4. Go to the Thai Embassy in Vientiane. Address: Royal Thai Embassy, Bon Phong Se Sasetha District, Vientiane, Laos. Submission time: 8:30 to 11:30 a.m. Steps: queue early. Submit documents plus passport plus pay 5. You'll get a receipt with a pickup date. 5. Collect your visa. Return the next business day. Between 1:30 to 3:30 p.m. Bring your receipt and passport copy. Check your visa for accuracy before leaving. 6. Return to Thailand. Cross the border via Nong Khai again. Re-enter Thailand with your new Non-B visa. Tips and notes: dress modestly when visiting the embassy. For more detailed info, see our guide in the description below.